Hey everyone, looking for cloud storage but don't want to use OneDrive? Here are 5 great alternatives, quick and simple. First, Google Drive. It works perfectly with Gmail and Google Docs. Easy sharing, easy teamwork, and very reliable. Second, Dropbox. It's simple to use and great for syncing files. Perfect for backups and sharing links fast. Third, pCloud. This one is all about security. Your files stay private, and you can even earn extra storage. Fourth, Mega. Strong privacy with end-to-end encryption. Plus, it gives you a lot of free storage. And fifth, Box. Best for businesses and teams. It offers strong security and powerful collaboration tools. That's it. These are the best OneDrive alternatives you should check out. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.